old can the bank letter be?
So it has to be not older than 6 months loan letter. So the loan letter should be within the 6 months that has been issued by the bank. So there is no limitation on restriction on the application. So if he's got the loan letter, if he's got the cash letter, if he has all the documents ready, he can make the application as soon as possible. So the student can apply for a student visa 6 months ahead of their course start date. So feel free to apply for a study visa if you have all your documents ready.
Are fixed deposit accepted? And how old should they be?
Yes, fixed deposits are acceptable. It has to be either in the name of the student or can be in the name of the parents also. If it's in the parents' name, we will need to see the consent letter and the authorization letter and the evidence of relationship. Well, there's no specifications on the fixed deposits dates. So as long as the fixed deposit is existing, it's a valid fixed deposit, those are acceptable. So just bear in mind, there could be asked from UKVI to verify those funds as well. So the bank should be able to verify those documents if approached by UKVI.
If there's a visitor visa rejection, will it have an impact on the student visa application?
Okay, so it depends what was the reason for rejection. If you are meeting the requirements, eligibility requirements for student, and making sure all the documents are completed, all the funds requirements are complete. So again, it's on the individual basis, and they will be checking what was the reason for rejection earlier, but it does not mean that she cannot apply for a student visa, and it does not mean that it was rejected for a visitor visa, it will be rejected for student visa also. It's again a different category and different, whether she's addressing those reasons of rejection in her future application. So it really depends on that. So it's all on the decision maker to assess the profile of the student.